Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TROX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice bounce. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low point and then ultimately where it closed, any rational person is going to say, yeah, the price definitely did make a nice bounce from its lows, but that leads perfectly into a very rational question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is right down here at the $7 mark. Why is 7 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 7. Any sort of breaks below $7, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back into that range of the chart where it was when it was flirting with those lows. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back, behaves in this manner, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have that set of lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase, make progress, once more as $7. What about areas of resistance? As far as where the sellers are at, initial hurdle going to be right up there, which was at the top portion of that bounce from earlier on in the day, right around $8.20. If the price can get up through that level, then more of the overarching level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be that purple line there, which is the 50-period simple moving average. As the name implies, that line is going to move itself, and it'll get more and more relevant as time goes on. But before you even start, talking about, doing battle with the 50-period or anything like that, one hurdle at a time, and again, that first hurdle at 825. Although, any way you look at it, very nice bounce today. Now it's just a question of, can the bulls build upon this momentum and build upon this bounce going forward? We shall see. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.